Hi wiring winners, Jay at Simtek. Well, this is the case study we've had a few videos on, and sorry there's not been one for a while, but we've been doing all sorts of other projects. Hopefully I'm going to catch back up with our body logic range and start doing a few more videos for you to have a look at what it does, how we configure it. But for the time being, thanks very much to the customer of this car for allowing us to use it as a case study. He's literally going to come and collect it in the next 10 or 15 minutes, so we've pretty much done everything. We've not managed to get the engine running only because it's a brand new build and I want the customer to have a go at that, not me, sort of thing. We have modified the ECU to take the ME board, so we've cut a little hole there in the casing for the expansion connector, which allows him to run the 4 coils and the injectors independently, which I personally think is a much better way of running it than the batch fire. And then we've drilled a little hole in the back of the casing there for the lambda, because we include the lambda wiring in the harness, and it comes out down here, so there's no additional wires hanging outside. So hopefully when the customer gets the opportunity, he'll be able to put the interior back in and fit the microwave sensor. We've got the immobilizer LED blinking away there at us, and we're pretty much done. BCU's loose because we'll need to decide exactly how we would like to mount that. And in fact, when he comes to collect it, if he's on an open top trailer, then we're going to take all this off so nothing gets too wet. But many thanks to him for doing this, for allowing us to video this, and I hope you've been interested. And we'll do loads more. We've got some other projects here. There's one out off to my left hand side, which I can't show you at the moment. I'm going to speak to the customer and see if we can do something about that. And I'm going to set up our test rig downstairs here, and we're going to do a little bit about our user interface, which is up there, that shows you how the BCU is getting on, except when the software decides it wants to do a virus check. So we'll get back to you very soon. We're going to do a load more videos about it. And hopefully we can help you building your future projects. If you like these videos, please keep an eye out for some more. Please contact us. You're more than welcome to email, WhatsApp, text, anything you like. And we'll speak to you again. Bye for now.